What is up, you guys? Before we get into the video, hi, I'm editing. I realized that this was supposed to go up before Valentine's Day. It didn't. My next video was also supposed to go up on Valentine's Day. It didn't. I'm not going to get into the reasons why, because there are none. I was just lazy. It is what it is, but let's get into the video. Sorry, guys. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alec or Aubrey, or whatever the f you want to call me. And it's good seeing you guys after a long
One eternity later.
long time. I took a little break for the holidays, for the new year, and it ended up going about 3 weeks too late. But I am back now. I am ready to film some videos for you guys. So I think we should just get started. Today's look, I'm going to be doing a drag Valentine's Day kind of spooky artist
what?
moment.
Oh. Okay.
I don't know what you call it. It's drag. It's a little spooky. It's a little creepy. It's a little fun. And it's very festive for this upcoming holiday, if that's what you want to call it. Gin and tonics are out. We are ready. Pour yourselves a cocktail and let's get right into the video. Alright, you guys, we are back. I have glued my eyebrows down, shaved, done all that off camera. You've seen it before, so why bother? So this look was inspired by an artist that I follow on Instagram and Facebook by the name of Ed Hunter, I believe. I'll link his social medias down below. I'm going to start off this look by mapping out a giant heart on my face. I'm sure you guys have seen this look done before. It's been going around the internet, so it's not very uncommon. Now that we have the basic shape down of the heart, we are going to fill in everything in the middle of the heart first, and then we're going to go in with the rest of it later. Go in and color correct. Now, I know that not a lot of the face will be showing, but I'm still going to color correct my mustache area and just a little bit right here. I'm just going to set that with a little translucent powder. We're going to go in with a little foundation. I'm going to highlight as normal, and for that I'm just going in with my ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer, hyaluronic. I know the word, I just can't pronounce it. Okay, now that you look like you've ripped off someone's face and put it on your face, we're going to go ahead and set that all in. I'm using my translucent powder from Makeup Revolution, and we're just going to go in. Okay, now that we look, we're just going to keep going with it. Listen, this is going to be a process before it becomes good, but I promise in the end it'll look, we'll get there. I'm going to go in with a little Urban Decay setting spray just to set this before we redraw in those lines. At this moment, we're not going to be contouring too much because obviously your contour goes here, this is going to be all covered, whatever. We'll get into that later. But we are going to contour the nose just slightly, and I'll be using my absolutely disgusting Chocolate Soleil sample bronzer. And I'm also going to be using a Morphe E62 from the James Charles brush collection. Is it even?
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
Well, it's not even. And it's not gonna be even. And you know what? We're just gonna move past it. We're gonna take a sip of our drink and we're gonna move the fuck along. Next we're going to go in with the eyes, and the eye is relatively simple. I think it's pretty easy, I think it's pretty cute, I think it's pretty fun, and I think it's pretty fresh. So we're going to lay down a little primer for the eye, and I'm just going to use a little Tarte Shape Tape. I have to learn to like not hold my mouth open like that. when I'm doing anything eye related on camera, because it does not look cute or fun or fresh at all. I'm just going to blend that out with a Morphe 173 brush.
Disgusting!
For the first color for the eye, we are going to be going in with my Sugar Pill palette. Okay, so I know everything isn't very clean on this channel, but I took a makeup wipe to this and I actually like cleaned it so it doesn't look like it's been through like the war and back. Look at it. Listen, it's not the cleanest, but it's cleaner than it was before, and that's what we're going to celebrate here on this day on this channel. I'm going to go in with the red shade here, and that is Love Plus, and that will be my crease color for this day and this moment. And I'm just patting that into the crease as usual. Just going to go ahead and start blending out those edges in circular motions. I'm also going to take that Love Plus color on the same brush. This is a MAC 217 brush, and I'm going to go about halfway into the eye. Alright, next we're going to cut the crease, and we're going to use a little bit of glitter. And today's glitter is the NYX Cosmetics glitter in Rose. I'm going to put a little powder drop down just in case. We know how fallout gets, and we don't want any fallout. We're just going to use a little NYX glitter primer to cut the crease, apply the glitter. I'm just going to be disgusting, use my finger, lick it, stick the glitter on. I'm thinking that this look is lacking just a little bit of depth, so I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills World Traveler palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Noir here. I think it'll be really cute. I'm going to smoke it out in the outer corner, but first, it's sippy time! Okay, we have winged out the black shadow. We are here, we are queer. I am going to dust off this little powder drop, and then we'll keep going with the look. Okay, we're going to go in with the under eye, and for the under eye, we're going to be doing the exact same red with Love Plus on this Real Techniques brush. And while we have the Love Plus out, I'm also going to be taking it down the very beginning of my nose contour and right on the tip. We are going to go in with the details. Now, I'm going to add a little inner eye highlight, and for that I will be using a Morphe M124 brush, and we're going to go back into this World Traveler palette with the shade Pink Champagne, and we're just going to pop that right into the inner corner. I'm just going to go back in with a little bit of my NYX That's the Point eyeliner. And I'm going to elongate the inner corners of my eye just ever so slightly. I'm just going to add a little white highlight under that just to make everything pop. And then we will be done with the eyes for now. I've gone ahead and put some eyeliner on the waterline, blended it out. I'm going to go throw my lashes on off camera, then I will be right back. Alright you guys, we are back. I put my lashes on off camera, and we're going to start on the brows. Now for the brows, I'm going to be wearing a red wig. So I'm going in with this very, very cheap palette that I got on Amazon. It's the iMagic. It's like a dupe to the Flash palette. I'm using the red color here, and we're going to go in with the brows. This look, I think I'm going to do like one of those little, I guess the best way to describe it is like a Rottweiler eyebrow. Just a little, and then a little, you know what I mean? Okay, for a little more detail, we're going to go in with the same palette in this little brown shade here. We're just going to add some freckles off camera And then we'll be right back for the lips and the finishing touches, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, now that we have the freckles on, they are applied, they are lovely, they are great. Let's take another sip of our cocktail. And then let's get into this lip. So for lips today, I'm going to be using the NYX Liquid Suede in Lust. And I'm just going to gently apply that to the middle lip, the most mid part of my lip. I'm just going to take my ring finger, blend that out. Then I'm going to take this Revolution lip gloss. This is the Nightmare Before Christmas collection. This is in the shade 0, and I'm going to put it all over my lip. For my next step, I am going to go in with the same cheap palette, flash palette, whatever you want to call it, in this red shade. And I'm going to fill in all around this heart, my ears, my neck, and everything in red. So for my little heart shape, I'm going to go in with these little things that I got at Michael's. They were like $3.99. They were very cheap. I'm going to put them all around the shape of the heart on my face, and then I will be right back for the finished look. We are back, and I am trying to make these not fall off my face. But this is the finished makeup look. Let's all take a look. I'm in pain. And one already fell off. I'm gonna go put on the rest of the outfit, glue that one thingy back on, and I will be right back with the finished look. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I'm trying not to move my face too much because all of these will fall off, as you can see. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, make sure you give it a like, make sure you turn on my post notifications so you know whenever I'm posting a new video. Thank you guys so much again for watching. I appreciate it so much, and I will see you next week. Bye guys. Happy Valentine's Day.